The nice features of Apple Photos is that you can hide images in a dedicated hidden folder. So you select the images that you want to hide and then right click, and it will show you an option to hide. So hide 5 items. So when you select that or click on it, then it will just ask for the confirmation that all these images can be found in the hidden album. So you click on hide, and then you should ideally see it on the left, but you're not seeing it. So you just go to view menu bar item, then you will see show hidden photo album. So when you will do that, then it will appear under utilities. So you click on hidden, you use your fingerprint or enter password, and then you'll be able to see all the images which are there in your hidden folder. So you can always check out if any album has an hidden folder or not, and then by providing the authentication, you'll be able to see all the items in the hidden folder. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.